Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Jamie.
Take 3.
Be a shark, doo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamie. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Jamie. Today I'm going to be doing my best friend's makeup. You saw her in my first video. No, you were about to spill that everywhere. Put it under my chair. Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and start the makeup.
Alrighty, just jumping right in with this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Going in with the P.louise base to prime the eyelids for our shadow. The palette I'm using today is the Lorac Unzipped palette. I haven't used this palette in a really long time, so I wanted to bring this out of the vault. Going in with the shade Unconditional, I'm going to slowly build that up in the outer third area of the crease. Now going in with a smaller, more dense pencil brush. And I'm just going to use this shade to really intensify and deepen that outer crease. And once you're happy with the depth and blend of your eyeshadow, go ahead and clean it up with the makeup wipe. Sorry, my big head was in the way. Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair Neutral, I'm going to go ahead and use a small detail brush to pack and pat that concealer in to cut the crease, using my finger to softly blend the edges. Next, going in with the Unbelievable and popping that right on the center of the lid. We're now going to go ahead and grab this shade Unattainable and tuck that right in between that shade we just put on the center of the lid and the other matte shades. I'm going to use that combination to really make sure it makes the eye pop. Next, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 matte brown shades and really tuck that in her lash line. I'm using this as an alternative to liquid liner, which I find to be too stark on her. She actually doesn't like winged eyeliner on her, but I put her up for a challenge today. Watching this eye come together in 4 easy steps with the power of editing is so satisfying. Going in with Sarah's Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade. I've never used this product before, but I actually really liked it to fill in her brows. Going in with the e.l.f. Clear Brow Gel just to set them bitches in so they don't fly away in the wind. I actually don't remember what foundation we used, but it looked beautiful and I just beat her face with it. Same with the concealer. I don't remember which one we used, but I will go ahead and put that in the description box for anyone who cares. Now going in with the Real Techniques powder brush. It's so cool. I had to have her touch it. Gonna go ahead and bake her beard so it makes contouring nice and easy later. Setting her entire face with it, making sure to press out any creases before going in with powder so you don't set the powder into her eye. Also, don't poke her eye. And ta-da! Going in with the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, bada bing, bada boom. We're gonna really go bronzer happy on her tan skin. I do not get to do this a lot because I am a pasty ass white bitch. Giving her some bronze cheekbones. Oh shit, earthquake! Everybody, go for cover! Hi, I'm a professional YouTuber and this is my setup, a banana tripod. Going in with that palette to contour, very, very quickly doing her nose. I don't spend too much time on the nose, I just don't want it to stick out like a sore thumb, or nose I should say. Going in with the lightest shade in that palette and popping that under her eyes and down the center of her nose to brighten and bring forward those features. Popping blush on the tip of the nose, chin, and forehead. Not going in with any extra product, just using what was left over to give it that sun-kissed appearance. Love it. Going in with that dose of colors, highlighter, and really making her cheekbones and nose pop. Oh crap, I forgot. You want to do the bottom lash line. Just putting the same colors on top, on bottom. Looking good. Going ahead and lining her lips with a NYX lip liner in Natural, and then we're going to go ahead and pop on NYX Tiramisu Gloss. And bam, instant lip injections. Using that same Set and Refresh mist to set the face and refresh it. Oh, it ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
Like, comment, subscribe, smash that bell button so you can get notified every time I post.
Notified. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed today's video.
Thanks for watching!